What's up, everybody? So today we're working on the RSX and Justin's RSX.
What's going on, everybody?
What are we about to do today?
So basically today, just to make it quick and simple, we're gonna be putting on my front bumper, my rear lip, and possibly working on the rear brake caliper. But that's on Brian, so we'll see what happens.
Damn right, we're about to make this happen.
How do you take those off?
Look at Keanu over there.
There's a whole things over there. I'm just trying to remember where they were. So this one, you need like.
Keanu, you need a tool, buddy.
No, so this one you can push down and it comes back up.
Oh.
These are the ones I put in last time. Let me go to this one. Right, this one.
All right. So first step, taking this bumper off. You take out this, all these pins right here. Take out those pins. That's the easy part. All right. So we just took out the pins. All these pins right here. All these pins. You just use a flathead screwdriver. Should be enough. So Justin has a quick release on the side. So you just take out the bands. Oh, Keanu, you already took this one off?
Yeah.
There you go. Took them both off. And then also, see if you have it. There's a screw right behind here. Should be around here somewhere. On both sides. Take this one out.
The other side is. See them right now.
Alright, so on a regular RSX, I mean not regular, but basic RSX, there's also like 4 of these, like under here, but Justin doesn't have it, so his bumper should come off right now. Alright, try to take it off, see if it comes off. Yeah, jig a little bit. Come on, come on.
Something's stuck.
No, you got it. Boom. All right, so there's not 4, there's about 7. All these little holes right here, all these holes is about 8, but we didn't have it on there. So all right, so now we're just gonna line up the bumper, get it as best as you can. All right, so we ran into a little issue. So this new bumper right here, it doesn't have like these grooves like how this one does, and they go and like hook up to like right here and right here. So what I think, I've also seen another video, I think that you have to take these off, but it might be okay because he has the quick release to hold it. So this is the piece right here, has these little grooves and has these on the inside, that piece that goes right there. All right, so we run into some issues, and this bracket right here is in the way, so we're taking it out to see if it'll help us out, because this bumper also doesn't have the grooves that this bumper has, like right here. We're thinking that's the problem why it don't fit all the way. So we're taking the headlights out, we took this bolt and this bolt out, and there's also for the bracket there's a bolt right here, and then there should be one down there too, but that one's usually broken. It's like down over there, that hole. And this is what you get when you take it out. One here, and there should be like one on the bottom down there. Comes right out. And on this bumper, you want to make holes. These holes are kind of small, but you only need to make these 2. So you make the holes right here so that it'll match where it goes over here. And another good way to go off of it is looking at the original bumper, whereas the holes here. So you basically just copy these holes and drill the drill holes in them.
Over here doing the Jimmy Johnson movement. Let's see. Oh, we got it in there, Jimmy.
All right. So we just drilled these right here. Boom right there. Boom right there. This is definitely gonna help for the sides, because this one will keeping it on. All right, y'all, so this is how it ended up turning out. We had to use zip ties. The bumper is not exact, not everything lines up, I believe because it's aftermarket, but I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty nice and clean. And over here we were able to put the quick release right here, and we added right here, we drilled a hole. You can't really see it, but there's a hole right here for that bolt. Oh, you got a light? How's that light? There's a hole right there. We drilled that one. We drilled these holes up here. You only really need 4. And then the same thing on that side. And it's on there pretty good. I just drove around a couple times and it's all good. And these right here, we had to take these out because these like clipped up to these, so it wasn't fitting on that bumper. That bumper, it doesn't have those, so we had to kind of like modify it in a way. So we took these pieces out and it fit on a lot better. These were like just all in the way. It was all bulky and there was mad space between the headlights and whatnot, so we had to take those out. But it does look nice, I will say. Like this, other than OEM bumpers, this one's like okay. All the other ones I'm not really a fan of, but this one looks nice. Also because it's like brand new paint. All right, buddy. So we're not gonna put the back lip. We decided we kind of want to repaint it. It kind of got messed up, so we're gonna wait on that one. But the front bumper came out pretty darn good. It's definitely looks brand new now. You gotta get an emblem, Justin. You gotta get an emblem.
Tuesday, buddy.
Dude, the Acura one?
Yeah, they might even come before Tuesday since everything else came in like days before. It was supposed to come in the house.
Fire. But yeah, that's it, everyone. All the holes you seen we drilled, and the zip ties, and this quick release right here. Everything it holds the bumper on. Those brackets from the old one. These right here. I know it's kind of dark. Sorry if it's bad video quality, but those all came out, and that's the result. That's how you take it off, and this is how you put the Mugen front bumper on. He has the rear lip too, but we decided to wait on that. So that's really much it. Hope y'all liked the video. Y'all gonna say bye?
Have a nice night, everyone. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Everything for my boy Brian. All right. He's got a lot of more shit coming out.
More car content. We out here.
Yep.
We gotta get your review on this car though.
My review?
Yeah, because now this is your car. It used to be Keon's car.
Yeah.
Keon got a new car, everybody, but we're not gonna say what it is. Y'all are gonna see.
Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z.
E-brake. You forgot about the e-brake.
Did I tell you? I told him.
This guy. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.